There she is, the fair artist, a rare sight to behold. She stretches and accidentally smears paint on her face as she emerges from her burrow made of unfinished paintings. She is hungry and thirsty, but she is instantly attracted to the shadows and lights and forgets all about her physical needs. Feral artists thrive on simple diet of tea or coffee and art. When they're not painting, they usually browse Instagram or order more paints and canvases online to fortify their burrows and make them cozy. Alas, this brings them only momentary solace as they realize that the ever growing pile of unfinished work will soon bury them